Hey, fifth grade. We're going to do a little review work before I have you go ahead and do your lesson on Wednesday. So this is Wednesday's lesson. It's lesson 108, and it's pages 207 to 208. And the lesson is all about prefixes and suffixes. And I know that's something that you're familiar with, but I just wanted to touch on a few things before you go ahead and do your worksheet. Okay, so let's look at this first word here. The first word is rewrite. And when we look at that word, let's think about what the base word is there. So the base word is write. So we know what write means, putting paper to pencil. And if I were to add this prefix re to this word, that totally changes the word. Now it means, like, okay, let me give you an example. It would be like Mrs. Gay saying, sorry, bud, but this penmanship is too sloppy and you have to rewrite it or do it again. It changes the meaning. Incomplete, what's the base word there? That base word is complete, meaning finished and full. But if we put this prefix before it, that is the complete opposite. So it means not completed, not full. Beautiful is the same way. Beauty, and then we add the full, that becomes a new word. It changes the meaning there. Now, because this is review, I know you, fifth graders. And your temptation is to just go ahead and do all this work. But I'm going to encourage you to take a second and look at the yellow box. Because, you know, the yellow box is always important. This is how I want you to look at it, though. I want you to first look at the example column in each of these for the prefixes and the suffixes. And then this actually kind of tears apart the word a little bit. Spend some time looking at those and why bicycle is bicycle, and what does by mean? Okay, take some time there to do a little research yourself. Okay, so that's the end of the English lesson, but I want to say a few things about your history today, and then again your history Friday. So your history today is studying and reading about countries in Africa, including Kenya and Ethiopia. And those are countries that I have traveled to and done mission work on. I've shared that with you before. And as you read those sections today, and as you continue to read this Africa unit, I really want you to begin in your spirit to start praying for these people, because these people need Jesus. And as you read, you're going to learn about different ways that they worship different gods besides the Lord. And I would just really like our hearts to be softened towards them, and just to see them in that light, a people that needs Jesus. Okay. Friday, you're going to have, for your history lesson, you're going to have the opportunity to continue to work on your nation notebook. And I know many of you all of you are really doing an excellent job, and some of you are like, I'm done. So what I'd like you to start doing is, during this time where we're apart, reviewing those slides. Even every day, go through a few slides and start memorizing those facts so that you're ready for Net at the Museum. Because honestly, kiddos, when we come back together, Net at the Museum is like there. We're going to come back from spring break and you're going to be like, it's here. So you need to be reviewing. Okay, kids, I love you and we miss you so very much. We'll see you soon.